In the beginning, it was simple. You connected only in person. Your social network was limited to the community that you lived in, and healthcare was controlled by big institutions. Then it all changed. Every industry was disrupted. Everything became connected. In an era of hyperconnectivity between people, places, and devices, behind all the new technology, behind every connection, and every health initiative, is the single most important element of all: the person. In every part of the world, seeking a better quality of life. The most powerful wave of the healthcare revolution is happening now. At this very moment, technology is racing forward, determining the future of well-being. Across every device, there are billions of searches on health every month from across the globe by real people. Everyone should be able to consult a doctor when they need it most. Introducing RingMD. RingMD is an advanced, cloud-based telemedicine platform that allows doctors to connect peer-to-peer and facilitates free-flow communication direct to billions of patients around the world from any desktop, tablet, or mobile device. The mission of RingMD is to connect every person in the world to quality and affordable healthcare. In 2015, 500 million people will be using a mobile health app. And there are already 1.91 billion smartphone users in the world. That's almost 2 billion people today with a supercomputer in their pocket. RingMD gives each of them the ability to access a doctor within one tap. How easy is it to use? You can quickly browse through doctors available for a live consultation, search for a symptom in the search bar at the top, or pick a medical category and be presented with doctors that specialize in that area. Doctors charge for consultations and set their own rates. The prices are completely transparent. There are no hidden fees whatsoever. If you click on a doctor, you can view a full profile, send him or her a private message, or add them to your favorite doctors. Here, you can also request a ring, which is a request for a consultation. Booking a consultation on RingMD is simple. First, you choose whether you want a video or a phone consultation. Secondly, you describe your reason for calling, and then you suggest 3 times and dates for your call. In the fourth step, you provide your payment details and click Book Appointment. Once the doctor has confirmed your appointment, you simply log in to RingMD at the scheduled time and click Join the video chat room. Now a video call automatically opens in the browser with no additional downloads required. Here, you can talk privately to your doctor, or add 3 or more way video calling for other specialists or family members. You can also send text messages or enter files using our secure file sharing system to share and discuss images, lab, radiology, and other important files. RingMD is a platform that dramatically improves access to the world's greatest doctors at any time of day in just a few clicks, and the platform is already available in 22 languages. Your security is a priority. RingMD's database server is hosted on Amazon's data centers. These centers have been accredited under ISO 27001, SOC1, SOC2, SSAE 16, ISAE 3402, PCI Level 1, FISMA Moderate, and SOX, that is hosted on SAS 70 Type 2 certified infrastructure and uses 128-bit encryption between the browser and our servers. RingMD is a 100% end-to-end encrypted secure communication platform, satisfying HIPAA compliance requirements. It uses the same level of security as banks. The social revolution has introduced a new definition to the word community. You now have the ability to personalize one-to-one connections at a massive scale. In 2015, Facebook had 1 in 7 people on the planet. That is 1 billion users in a single day. RingMD has partnered with Facebook for their new www.internet.org initiative to launch across 16 countries. Best of all, RingMD will provide access to the advanced platform free of charge to patients and doctors. What does that mean for the doctors? Each doctor will find their own specific use for the platform.
The world today is an oyster. There is no borders for medicine. We should be able to reach out far and wide. Imagine getting yourself known across the world. and how much benefit it would be for the doctor. He or she is known across, and this is a great benefit. Being known in the virtual field for a doctor, for his specialization and for his skills, is of enormous benefit to him, because he can reach to a huge market, and the choice is up to the patient and to the referring doctor whether to select the doctor or not.
I think new doctors can virtually build their practice by this method. Also, the reach is so global, then their brand can become global. Because as a person, if I have to market myself and make myself, brand myself, it is going to be in a limited area. But the reach of this medium is so vast that you can really, in a very short time, build a brand which is global brand.
For the surgeons, RingMD offers many advantages. Among the first is the surgeon comes to know all the details of the patient, problems, and the demands of what the patient has in mind. What does he expect after the treatment, after the surgery has been done? For the patient, this helps him to move. The doctor is clear about his understanding. The patient is clear. Once the surgery or the treatment has been done and the patient goes back, RingMD helps the doctor to remain connected with the patient. So he can follow up with the patient very carefully, look at his physiotherapy protocols, and also see that he takes the medicines, look at the results, and advise accordingly.
If you look today, person is limited by geographical boundaries, but this medium does not limit you by geographical boundaries. You can reach anywhere in the world, any time of the day, both ways.
A medical relationship between a patient and a doctor is far deeper than any other professional relationship. And for the patient to know that he can talk directly to the doctor, communicate about his problems, his progress, about his rehab, etc., can be of major advantage. And this is something that I think RingMD brings onto the table, which will serve not only the doctor but will serve the patient also to keep connected all the time.
Now, you can increase your revenue by monetizing every consultation over high-quality audio and video chat and instant messenger. At the same time, transform service forever by enabling help for every person in the world, simply by the touch of a button. This is the power of a doctor's clinic in the cloud. The power of a virtual practice. This is the power of RingMD. We are at a critical point in history. Our platform will deliver care wherever and whenever a patient needs it. Quality healthcare has never been simpler. We have an opportunity to change the world together. Let's get started.